Let's get something straight. Just because chia seeds are a superfood, doesn't mean they work like magic. Especially not if you're eating them the way most people do. Tossing them in a smoothie, dumping them dry into yogurt, drinking them without soaking. That might be doing nothing, or worse, it could be causing gas, bloating, and blocked digestion. So let's fix it. This video is your complete guide on how to eat chia seeds the right way. For better digestion, lasting energy, and real weight support. We'll talk preparation, timing, food combos, and even who shouldn't be eating chia seeds daily. You'll learn why this little seed only works when treated right, and what happens when it finally clicks into place. Chia seeds, tiny but powerful. On paper, chia seeds sound perfect, more omega-3s than salmon, packed with fiber and protein, loaded with minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iron, full of antioxidants. But here's the problem. Most people eat chia seeds dry, or toss them into meals without a second thought. And that's where it all goes wrong. Why? Because chia seeds are hydrophilic. That means they absorb water like crazy, up to 12 times their weight. If they're not soaked before you eat them, guess what? They'll absorb that water inside your stomach instead. That can lead to uncomfortable bloating, sluggish digestion, and even constipation, especially if you're not drinking enough water. So let's talk about soaking chia, the 30-minute rule. This is honestly the first and most important step. You should always soak your chia seeds. The golden ratio? It's 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to half a cup of water. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes, but for the best results, soak them overnight in the fridge. You'll notice the water turns into a thick gel. That's not weird. It's actually exactly what you want. That gel helps your gut process the fiber better, reduces blood sugar spikes, and makes nutrients like omega-3s more bioavailable. Bonus? You can store this chia gel in a sealed container for up to 5 days in the fridge. Just scoop some out whenever you need it. Once soaked, chia seeds are incredibly versatile. They have a neutral flavor, which means they can go sweet or savory, but certain combinations make their benefits even stronger. Here are some top picks. First, chia with Greek yogurt and berries, high in protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. Great for gut health and satiety. Next, chia with oats, banana, and cinnamon. You get slow-burning carbs, potassium, and cinnamon for blood sugar balance. Perfect for breakfast. Then, chia with lemon water. Make this detox-style drink by soaking chia overnight in lemon water. It supports hydration and digestion. And finally, chia with almond milk, cacao, and honey. That's a chia pudding that tastes like dessert but fuels you like a meal. It's ideal for breakfast or a healthy snack. When should you eat chia seeds? Well, timing really does matter here. Here's what most people don't know. When you eat chia seeds can actually change how your body responds. If you eat them in the morning, they help regulate your blood sugar and keep you full for hours. If you have them about 30 minutes before meals, they can reduce your appetite and support portion control. Before workouts, chia seeds give you slow-release energy without a sugar crash. And if you eat them before bed, they help stabilize blood sugar overnight and support your gut as it heals. The fiber factor, why chia seeds are weight loss friendly. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which turns into that gel we mentioned earlier. Inside your body, that gel slows digestion, keeps you feeling full, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps promote healthy bowel movements. And since fiber isn't digested like carbs or fats, it doesn't add extra calories, but it does add bulk, which keeps you satisfied. Oh, and here's something important. For every tablespoon of chia you eat, make sure to drink at least 8 to 10 ounces of water. Otherwise, the fiber just won't move through your system effectively. 3 common chia mistakes that ruin everything. Let's bust some mistakes real quick. Number 1, eating chia seeds dry. This is the #1 error. Dry chia absorbs water in your stomach, not before, and that causes discomfort, bloating, or even blockages if you're dehydrated. Number 2, eating too much too soon. Going from 0 to 3 tablespoons overnight, yeah, that's a bad idea. Start small and give your gut time to adjust. Number 3, not chewing soaked chia. Yes, you still need to chew. Saliva starts the digestion process. Don't just gulp them down, treat them like food, not a drink. Chia for gut health, energy, and focus. You know, a healthy gut really does mean better everything. Chia seeds actually act like prebiotics, feeding your gut's beneficial bacteria. This can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, support regularity, and even give your mental clarity and immunity a boost. And thanks to their slow-digesting carbs and protein content, chia seeds provide long-lasting energy, without that dreaded crash. Okay, try this energy shot. 1 tablespoon soaked chia, juice from half a lemon, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and 1 cup warm water. Boom, that's a natural electrolyte drink, no caffeine, no crash. Who should be cautious with chia? Well, for most people chia seeds are totally safe. But there are a few exceptions. People on blood thinners. Chia is high in omega-3s, which may increase bleeding risk. People with swallowing issues never eat them dry. And for those with IBS or sensitive digestion, it's best to start slow and just see how your gut reacts. Yes, quality matters. Here's what to look for. Certified organic and non-GMO. Choose airtight packaging, not plastic pouches. Both black and white chia seeds are nutritious, but black has slightly more antioxidants. Trustworthy brands, Navitas Organics and Nativa are 2 of the best. Alright, let's clear up a few more things, just so we're all on the same page. First, the myth that chia detoxes your body. Nope, that's not true. Your liver and kidneys are the real detox heroes. Chia just helps support gut balance, not a full-body detox. Next, there's this idea that chia is just for weight loss. Also, no. Honestly, chia's biggest benefits are energy, digestion, blood sugar regulation, and brain support. And finally, the myth that more chia means more benefits. Wrong again. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day soaked is enough. More isn't better. So, what actually happens when you eat chia the right way? Well, it's not instant, but if you're consistent, you'll notice some real changes. After about 7 days, you might feel less bloated, have better digestion, and enjoy more steady energy. After 3 weeks, you could notice a real gut reset, have fewer cravings, and experience reduced sugar crashes. And the long-term health benefits? Things like better focus and clearer skin. Take Clara, for example. She's a 44-year-old teacher who started adding 1 tablespoon of soaked chia to her morning yogurt. Within 2 weeks, her cravings dropped, her bathroom habits got back to normal, and her focus during the day improved a lot. It wasn't some dramatic transformation, but it was real, and it actually stuck. So, here's how to eat chia like a pro. Always soak your chia, at least 30 minutes. Start with just 1 tablespoon a day. Make sure you drink plenty of water. Combine it with gut-friendly foods. Try eating it at strategic times, like mornings or even before bed. If you eat chia the right way, it'll return the favor. This isn't about trends, it's about actually listening to what your body needs and giving it the tools to thrive.